Deep within the forest, overgrown vines conceal a hidden secret, shrouded in melancholy and mystery.
A slow push-in reveals the abandoned car's rusted grille, a testament to quiet decay. A mechanic peers into the shattered, moldy car interior, a grim challenge revealed.
A mechanic's flashlight beam reveals extensive corrosion and hidden destruction within the engine bay.
A heavy-duty winch cable attaches to the rusted car frame, signaling impending action.
The vintage car is slowly pulled from the forest, beginning its journey of transition. The heavily rusted vintage car rolls into a pristine workshop, a stark contrast.
The pressure washer nozzle moves across the car body, revealing a dramatic before and after.
A crane shot reveals all 4 removed wheels, laid out on the pristine workshop floor.
A slow push-in reveals a stack of corroded suspension components, highlighting extensive damage.
A mechanic meticulously cuts away seized wiring harnesses in the engine bay. An engine hoist lifts the massive, greasy engine block from the car's chassis.
A slow push-in reveals multiple rust holes in the car's floor pan, showcasing severe decay.
A mechanic careful pries out a cracked windshield, showcasing delicate precision. A whip pan reveals meticulously organized, labeled bags of small, rusted components. A mechanic uses a flashlight to inspect the bare chassis frame for structural integrity.
The entire bare chassis, stripped and rusted, rests on stands, revealing the enormity of the task.
An extreme close-up reveals a rusted bolt head, bubbling gently in penetrating oil.
A mechanic's hand carefully places a labeled bag of bolts onto an organized tray. A mechanic discovers a vintage owner's manual tucked into a hidden compartment.
A sandblasting gun strips rust from an engine component, transforming it to clean metal.
A slow push-in reveals a bubbling chemical bath, slowly cleaning submerged engine components. A mechanic carefully lowers a corroded carburetor into the chemical bath, a precise chemical action. Small, intricate parts vibrate rapidly in an ultrasonic cleaner, grime visibly dissolving. A mechanic meticulously wipes away decades of oil and grime with a solvent-soaked rag. Cleaned engine components hang in a heated drying rack, promising renewal. The grimy engine block is carefully lowered into a massive, steaming hot tank.
A cylinder honing machine precisely etches a crosshatch pattern onto an engine cylinder wall.
A massive crankshaft spins on a lathe, polished to a mesmerizing mirror finish.
A mechanic meticulously scrapes carbon deposits from a piston head, revealing its clean surface.
A mechanic applies valve lapping compound, meticulously rotating the valve for a perfect seal.
A spray gun applies fresh engine enamel, transforming a component to a vibrant new color. The entire chassis frame is sandblasted to bare metal, a dramatic transformation from rust.
An angle grinder smooths a freshly welded patch, ensuring meticulous finishing and integration.
A mechanic applies epoxy primer to the bare chassis frame, beginning a new finish.
The chassis frame, now glossy and durable, showcases perfection and robust protection.
A chrome bumper emerges from a rechroming bath, gleaming like new with dripping liquid. A buffing wheel brings a mirror finish to an aluminum trim piece, transforming dull to brilliant. A mechanic disassembles a transmission, revealing intricate gears and shafts.
The timing chain aligns perfectly between camshaft and crankshaft sprockets, showcasing mechanical harmony.
A mechanic bolts down the intake manifold, ensuring new gaskets are perfectly sealed. Fuel lines are meticulously routed along the chassis, secured with clips, showcasing careful plumbing.
A mechanic torques lug nuts on a freshly mounted wheel, preparing for road readiness.
Meticulously aligned panel gaps showcase precision bodywork and a flawless finish.
A slow pullback reveals the car's gleaming front grille, a triumphant aesthetic perfection. A glamour shot captures the car's perfect lines and flawless paint, an aesthetic triumph. A tracking shot follows the car's profile, highlighting flawless bodywork and gleaming wheels. The car door opens, revealing a pristine interior with luxurious leather seats and a restored dashboard.
A hand inserts the key into the ignition, a pivotal moment of anticipation. A mechanic's hand pumps the throttle pedal, priming the fuel system with renewed hope.
The mechanic steps back, hands on hips, admiring the smoothly running engine with profound pride.
The polished exhaust pipes emit a deep, resonant burble, showcasing powerful mechanical harmony.
The restored car rolls out of the workshop into golden hour sunlight, a grand, triumphant reveal. Hands grip the restored steering wheel, shifting into gear for the anticipation of the first drive.
The restored car accelerates down a scenic, winding road, exhilarating performance and freedom. A chase car follows the restored vehicle as it gracefully corners on a winding road.
A split screen contrasts the rusted, abandoned car with its gleaming, restored counterpart, a transformation revealed. An aerial drone orbits the abandoned car, revealing its isolation in the vast wilderness.
A low-angle shot under the wheel arch reveals heavy mud, rust, and corroded suspension.
The tow truck's cable attaches to the car's rusted frame, marking the start of rescue. A mechanic pours fresh coolant into the radiator, an essential fluid filling for system completion. The car's interior, fully reassembled with restored dashboard and gauges, showcases luxurious completion. The restored car exits the workshop, revealing its flawless side profile in golden hour sunlight.
The car's tire spins as it drives away, exhilarating movement and renewed purpose.
A chase car tracks the restored vehicle along a coastal road, an epic journey unfolding.
The car parked at a cliffside overlook, silhouetted against a vibrant sunset, a triumph of beauty.
A split screen contrasts the abandoned car in the forest with the gleaming, restored car on a coastal road, a transformation revealed.
A dynamic whip pan transitions from the filthy car exterior to the clean, organized workshop, a new beginning.
A mechanic's gloved hand carefully removes delicate trim, revealing hidden corrosion underneath.